Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a new and fast Siphon server for 2024 and use it with the HTTP Custom VPN. Siphon is a powerful tool designed to help you bypass internet censorship by routing your traffic through a network of proxy servers. This greatly enhances your browsing experience, especially in restricted regions. If you're ready, let's dive into the process. Access the UDP Custom website. To start, open your browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. From the search results, locate and click on the official website to create a Siphon server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, head to the top right corner and click on the menu button. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Look for Siphon Server and click on it to proceed. You'll be redirected to a page showcasing available Siphon server locations. Next, click the Create Siphon button to initiate the server creation process. This should take just a few seconds. Once your server is ready, click the Copy button to save the Siphon entry key to your clipboard. Congratulations, you've just created your Siphon server. Now that the server is ready, let's configure it on your mobile device. First, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom. Tap on the HTTP Custom VPN app from the results and proceed to download and install it. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once installed, open the app. On the main screen, you'll see a Siphon button. Check the box next to it to activate the Siphon settings. Next, click on the plugin icon located at the top of the screen. You'll be presented with various protocol settings. Since we're configuring the Siphon, select Siphon settings from the list. Under Protocol Options, you can choose any protocol or simply select All. For the region, pick your preferred location. In the Server Entry section, paste the Siphon key you copied earlier. After completing all the configurations, return to the main screen of the app. Hit the Connect button, and within a few seconds, the VPN will establish a connection. And there you have it. You've successfully created and set up your Siphon server with HTTP Custom VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.